This right here is one of those things that makes us unsafe a country to be in. If you're not from the U.S., there was a Vegas incident that took place where the person that did the incident had this, and we got the one thing that happened during Trump's era was to remove the items they're talking about up there from being able to be purchased, used, whatever. And I know a ton of people are like, you can still get them if you want. Yeah, but it made it very difficult for a lot of people to get them legitimately or to get them as they normally would. And so it's for those people, like, we're not even going to argue that point. None of the arguments you have make any sense if you actually dig into them. There's tons of videos on this platform showing that. It falls apart when you guys get into any debate over why regulation doesn't work and anything, and it really is ridiculous. This is just going to make things more dangerous, because people that are going to do the types of events that happen in Vegas or at schools in this country are going to have yet another tool with which to do it in a more devastating fashion, and why we're not going anywhere. It really is terrible to see the Supreme Court doing this. Now, a lot of people are going to jump to say, well, the Supreme Court is just saying that ATF overstepped in their ruling, and that's why they're not allowed to do that, but they don't really plan on revisiting this. They just struck it down for whatever lobbying group got to whoever to make this happen. So our Supreme Court's a joke, and this country continues to be a joke. I said that in a previous video, and someone was like, you mean the people that represent us are a joke, not the people, not the country. No, this country's a joke. It's a terrible joke. And for all the people like, why don't you just leave? Because there's not really anywhere else to go, and it is exceptionally hard and expensive to get into the country. If you don't understand that, there can be an entire video series done exclusively on how hard it is to leave the United States, because it was something I could do, and it was something I was able to do. I'd be gone already, because this country is a joke. It's not, yeah. So, anyway, what are you guys' thoughts on this? As usual, I'll put a warning on this type of video that any extreme comments will be removed. This will be a heavily moderated video, so try what you want, but it's going to be gone if you do anything stupid. So anyways, guys,